Oh, testily shuai do some delay. Hope you guys doing great. That today sumju today. Chida sumbe ki cheju do chadi do. Ani ngazoi ki pebe ki da tabjen ki naal girim naal ta today nimadi kechmu shu chadi gore. Today sumju today chuju rubdu. De gelang nimu chadi do. Ani ngada nge pomoni ta dan do sim gana shumsa ba do de. And I'm also chimbi shugi nango to chena. Happy Tuesday. Today the chida sumbe ki chechu nimo de la tare sumju tuje chuju rebdin di chadi do. Tare ngaji de Los Angeles la ani chidi sobe ki budi wala ani phaba da gami nyamru thone tare ngoge chere ani gami ki cause ki China Democracy Party ki yule mangu chile de sha ana mo sigdo o du cha de sha 아니 개미 슝섭디 아주 갑라 너무 시기에나 시도 어데 개미 슝섭 누차디도 올라서 안 재미난기 치고
你打到后面开不出来，这关系太强。
这些就是发展速度，变成当个，要么这些叫对外呢。 아니 this 치순 벌사리사고 이전에는 내가 쇼부 순축과 이게 말하지 로샤나 그때 가서 양나가 말부에 렌즈가 멀부에다 저는 공사 경근점을 줬고 그시를 도리 조능인 거지 쇼스ම් 벨마 세트가 용기 심함에 배고네 라강 갤런 시대 물론 주체를 된 거니 디지기 예모예미 가샤비 그 단스 머리기 된다 也是我们去雷动能力，电气保护方面的，两个平台上，大太阳加上的三个月，润每一天后现在已经生气，热是等于实际跟到哪哪，都是两地区的。
Good afternoon, fellow Tibetans and our friends, Americans, as well as Chinese brothers and sisters. I see some from Hong Kong, Taiwan, and mainland China. We, on behalf of the Tibetan community here, really appreciate all of you that have come here every year for all of the important protests to join us in solidarity, to speak out on behalf of 6 million Tibetans inside Tibet. But I also know today you are here to speak out on behalf of 1.4 billion Chinese brothers and sisters. Of course, 6 million in Hong Kong and 21 million in Taiwan, who all yearn for freedom and have shown, thanks to His Holiness Dalai Lama's non-violent approach, we have had, again, over the last 70 years, 67 years since 1959, we have had supporters every year speaking out for freedom in Tibet. So
they want to suppress a people who is peaceful, who really wanted to practice their own religion, to have their own freedoms without any intervention from the government. The government of China really wanted to control every part of the people, including their thoughts and their expressions. And it is not just in Tibet. It's happening in Xinjiang. It's happening within China itself. And it has recently, since 2020, it happens in Hong Kong.
Long live the Dalai Lama.
Human rights in Tibet.
Human rights in Tibet.
Human rights in Tibet now.
Human rights in Tibet now.
Human rights in China.
Human rights in China.
Human rights in China.
Human rights in China.
Freedom in Tibet.
Freedom in Tibet.
Freedom in Tibet.
Freedom in Tibet.
Freedom in China.
Freedom in China.
Freedom in China.
Freedom in China.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans. It is the Panchen Lama now.
PRC, do the right thing.
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 Xi Jinping, 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 do the right thing.
Stop the killings in Tibet.
Stop the killings in Tibet.
Stop the killings.
Long live human rights in Tibet now. Human rights in China. Human rights in China. Freedom in Tibet. Freedom in China. Stop the colonial boarding schools in Tibet now. Release all political prisoners now. Release the Panchen Lama now. PRC, do the right thing. Xi Jinping, do the right thing. Stop the killings in Tibet now. Stop the murder in Tibet now. Stop the repression in Tibet now. Stop the